At Maple Ridge Hyundai, we believe that every visit should be as smooth and effortless as possible. From the moment you arrive, our team is dedicated to making your experience exceptional. It starts with our easy check-in process. Our service advisors are ready to greet you, ensuring we gather all the information to get your vehicle taken care of. Before we even step inside, we take extra precautions by applying protective coverings to safeguard your car's interior. We'll walk around your vehicle together, noting any specifics to ensure everything is accounted for before we get started. If your service requires more time,
I'll send you a text when your car's all ready to go, okay? Awesome. Have a great day.
we've got you covered with a loaner vehicle, so your day doesn't get interrupted. Once your vehicle is in our hands, our skilled technicians begin with a comprehensive inspection, because no one likes surprises when it comes to car care. Every service is different, but our commitment remains the same. Whether it's routine maintenance or a more involved repair, your car is in the best hands. We don't stop at just fixing the issue. Once service is complete, your vehicle heads to detail. We ensure it's looking as good as it runs, so it's ready for you to drive off in top condition. We will provide you updates as to the status of your vehicle, start to finish.
Good afternoon, this is Joel, the shop foreman over here at Maple Ridge Hyundai. Just going through your guys' service today, just finishing everything up. Car's in great shape.
Picking up is a breeze, especially for our prepaid servicing customers. We know your time is valuable, so we aim to make the process quick and easy. Before you leave, we'll even pre-book your next service and send you a reminder,
I'm gonna pre-book your appointment for 6 months from now.
so you can stay on top of your car's maintenance without any hassle.
You have a great day and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Okay.
At Maple Ridge Hyundai, we're not just servicing cars, we're taking care of our customers. Fast, easy, and always with a smile.